Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is Laravel and why the Laravel is too much popular in terms of the framework. So let's start why we are using Laravel for any web applications or for the REST APIs or any front end. So let's check what is Laravel. So Laravel basically a framework where we can design any applications like restaurant management, e-commerce, and any admin panel you can create in Laravel. It has the front end and the back end both availabilities. Front end is basically run on the basis of the blades, and the back end you can also it's on the blade, but you can create the backend like add users, add customers like this, and you can manipulate the data accordingly. You can also create the REST APIs, use this as a backend, and the front end technologies would be anyone that the Angular, Node, Vue you can use. So basically the Laravel is basically used for basically known for the technology as a backend which we can use and creating the REST APIs in Laravel. Okay, so why this Laravel is too much popular? As the security wise, it is good, and for the speed, it's also good for that. And so many releases are released by the Laravel, and now the latest version is the 8.8x, the Laravel 8, and it has very much new features that the Laravel has enhanced in Laravel 8. And so see, the Laravel community is big, and you can also post on any if you have finding any issues, and they are using the elegant models in Laravel. So Laravel basically used for the any web applications that is built and used as a backend. And we can say we can create the progressive web apps, APIs, and it has the different structure for the controllers and the routes. Okay, so what are the basic architecture concepts? Like to get started, installation we can start in the next one. The basics is what contribution current stable version is the Laravel 8. Laravel submitted by the 8.8x master branch. So it will going to Laravel 8 is the latest one version that we are going to work on it. So this is the introduction of the Laravel. What is Laravel? Why we are using Laravel? Why this community is so big? And why the people are running to the Laravel or the any other framework like Node.js or something? Because one of the latest technology, and what is and the latest and most used technologies, and you can get easily the job in the Laravel if if you have the knowledge of the Laravel and the concepts of the Laravel. So it's very much pretty helping in getting the jobs also, because one of the most and the latest technologies and the framework is Laravel. So let's begin. In the next video we are going to we are going to install the Laravel, and we can read about more about how well creating the CRUD operations or making any applications in Laravel. So we can go through step by step over it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.